Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to use Lendio for dropshipping businesses. Using Lendio for dropshipping lets you track sales, supplier payments and expenses in real time, which of course gives you a clear view of profit margins and cash flows. Let's get into it. First step is to log into Lendio and then go to income and expenses tracking. There you can connect your e-commerce platform and payment processor. Next is to create categories for product sales, supplier costs, shippings, and of course fees. You want to assign each transaction to the appropriate category. Next is to set up auto rules to categorize recurring supplier payments and fees. Also track sales revenues versus suppliers and shipping costs, just to monitor margins. Be sure to review reports regularly to analyze profitability by product or supplier. Also adjust pricing or sourcing strategies, of course, based on financial insights. Lendio simplifies financial management for dropshipping businesses, which of course is going to ensure that you always know your revenues, your cost, and of course your profit margins. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.